Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to find out the value of the unknown x in the following diagram. Starting with the first, basically one thing which we know that the which we must keep into the mind in order to solve this question is that the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So we are starting with the part 1. In the part 1 we are given the angle A, which is x, plus angle B, which is equals to, sorry, it's angle C, which is 60 degree, and angle B, which is equals to 50 degree. As we just discussed, we are going to use the property that is sum of all the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So x plus 60 degree plus 50 degree is equals to 180 degree. So from here x become equals to 180, 60 plus 50 is 110, and this from here become equals to minus 110. Solving the value from here, so we get the value of x. So we can say that the x from here is equals to 70 degree. So this is 70 degree. Answer to the part 1 of this question. Now next part. Part is this: angle Q is given, angle P is given 90, and angle R is x. We have to find out the value of the x. So here again we are considering this as the sum of the all the interiors angle of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So this from here is equals to 90 plus 30 plus x is equals to 180. So x from here is equals to 180 minus 90 plus 30 is 120, and this from here is minus 120. So solving this, we get the value of x, that is equals to 60 degree. So this is the answer to the part 2 of this question. We are considering this triangle XYZ. Again, sum of all the interior angles is equals to the 180 degree. So here we can say that the third is equals to the sum of all the interior angle. X is 30 degree plus y is 110 degree plus z is x, which we need to find out, that is equals to 180 degree. So x from here is equals to 180 degree minus this is 110 and 30, that is equals to 140. So solving this from here, we get the value of x, that is equals to 40. So this is the answer to the part 3rd of this question. Now part 4th is, now this is part 4. Let's say this is the triangle A, B and C. Here we are given that two angles are x, which means x is two angles are equal, and the third angle is 50. As we know that the sum of all the interior angle of a triangle is 180. So we can say that the value of this triangle is equals to 50 plus x, that is equals to 180. So we can write this as 50 plus 2x is equals to 180. So 2 of x from here is equals to 180 minus 50, that is x is equals to 130 divided by the 2. Solving this, this is equals to 65 degree. So the value of the both the x from here are 65 degree and 65 degree and 65 degree. So this is the answer to the part B of this question. This is the answer to the part 4th. Now let's discussing the part 5th of this question. So here in this part 5th, we are given a triangle. Let's say this is the triangle A, B and C, and all the three angles are given x, 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 which means all the three angles of this triangle are given, which are equal. So here we can say that the angle A is x, angle B is x, and angle C is x, and we know that the sum of all the interior angle of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So we can write this as 3x is equals to 180 degree, which means x is equals to 180 divided by 3. When we divide 180 with 3, we get the value of x, that is equals to 60. So we can say that the value of all the angles of this triangle is equals to 60 degree, that is 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. So this is the answer to the part 5th of this question. Now next part. Now we are considering about this 6th part. This is, let's say, x, y and this is z. Sum of all the interior angle of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Angle z is given, which is 90 degree. Angle x is 2x and angle y is x. So we can say that the, as we noted, the sum of all the interior angle of a triangle is 180. So x plus 2x plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. X plus 2x is equals to 3x. This is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which means 3 of x from here is equals to 90 degree. Solving this, x become equals to 90 divided by the 3. Solving this further, we get the value of x, that is equals to 30 degree. If the value of x is equals to the 30 degree, so the value of 2 of x is equals to 60 degree. So from here we got all the angle, that is this angle x to x is equals to 60 degree and angle x is equals to 30 degree. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of triangle and its properties. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.